I want to talk a little bit about links from social media because social media links are easy to get. Social media is on the forefront of many people's minds when it comes to promoting their website or business. And so I want to talk about what to keep in mind. And it's very simple because most social media links are no-follow links, which means they're not, at least in Google, they're not supposed to pass on this link juice, right, that we want. But at the same time, social sharing and the links that get shared are very important because to Google, that is a sign that your asset, your link, is quality, right? If other people, of course you should share it, but if other people reshare, like, press thumbs up, upvote, to Google it's a sign, it's like a vote, right? People, they're like, oh, people are actually liking this. Obviously we should rank it higher, right? And of course it drives real traffic to your website, which is always good because that can result in clients, money, revenue, whatever. So it is an important distinction that by itself, those social media links won't actually get your website to rank higher. But all that extra social sharing, if you get it, and if you can influence it, that is what's going to help your website to rank higher. So that's the distinction to keep in mind when it comes to social media links.